I can live with other people that try to go around me, you know. But the man in my life, I'm not gonna live with him. I do it.
Jen,
George. How red man get beat up and him foot broke? I can better you call a harder that, don't?
Yes. Let me tell you this, Jen. I have to make some boy know, say. Them now have to see me on the throne. But know, say, Kyng still rule.
Babes, it's a dangerous risk that you're running, you know. Because if them find you with it, them are going to extend your sentence, you know.
Me way smarter than that, Jen.
Always have to live on the dark side, George. You can't just do the time and come home to me. You have to try to run things from inner, so. Why you think me I go so hard to get things done?
Hear this. I appreciate everything you do, baby girl. Don't get it twisted. But it's still my job to keep you safe. And you're right, you know. Enough chance me give the people them round me. And so now me not dead physically. The whole of them I try go round me.
That's why me there I go and monitor things, babe.
Yeah. And that's why they will try to hurt you. So me still have to have the dogs and stand by just in case. You see?
Oh boy. Alright, George. Play it your way.
I'm not playing me, I play, babes. But you see, if a boy or a girl moves to you in any funny way, them have to play.
You have somebody watching me?
No put it that way there, Jay.
Just tell me.
Well, I tell Kappa self, you know, keep an eye on you. Especially when you have to take on the road, you see?
And this is the thing there now.
Rate as a personal bodyguard.
When people have personal bodyguard, them know. It's sad for no say me have a personal bodyguard, I mean never know.
Well, how you know?
Anyway, may I come going now? See you weekend.
Jen, you don't have nothing to tell me.
Like what?
Anybody strange come at the bar recently? Or today, as a matter of fact?
So your sister said somebody for watch me though.
Not watch you, Jenny. Watch over you. But on another level, I'm like Carlton Wallace come up there and you not say nothing to me.
What you want me to tell you, say, babe? Carlton Wallace come up at the bar and him plan to build house up at hillside?
That's a go on, pan what a go on.
No, you know. Where you go to? How that's somebody to get rid of him?
So you agree?
You tell me. Cause it look like you can't let go things. You forget to him make it the inner so?
Him good, man. Me leave him for fall upon him own sword.
You just make sure son or you set the sword. Cause me start feel like you get more comfortable in your son.
You know me have something to tell you. But it's like how you're mad now and up in your feelings. You don't think you're going to want you, no?
None of the time for ramp with me. Just tell me what you're telling me.
You know me not tell you in another mood then. We're talking about the pretty face when you see me come. No, we're talking about the pretty face, man.
George, tell me now.
Yeah, that's better. You're pretty. Mullins linked me, and I make me know say, he might try arrange for me to do the rest of my sentence as house arrest.
Which house?
The same house where them take me from.
For real?
Yeah.
You serious, babe?
Yeah. Him said, if you just give him about 2 months to sort out the necessary paperwork and get everything in place. You see?
Good. I want to hold it and squeeze it, but I can't do it.
Just hold it. I have whole heap of hugs. Plus other stuff to get shot.
Babes, I'm going to get to the phone, don't you?
Yeah.
I'm right here, you know?
I'm if to tell you,
please, don't do nothing to violate that. Just be careful with it, okay?
Don't worry yourself, man. I have that covered. Literally.
Babe, now come go home, go get some rest now. I'm tired bad.
Make sure you rest that body there, you know. Because you know, like a clit when we link up, dog.
Okay, yeah. Later, baby. Big. Until then time. So good news make people hungry.
So you have to look out for some food for me too.
Radcliffe,